Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this creamy parsnip mash. It's a lovely alternative to mashed potatoes and it tastes so good. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so be sure to click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So for the recipe today, I've got a pack of whole parsnips which we're going to be using, and I'm going to cook them with garlic. I'm going to cook the whole cloves so they get nice and mashable along with the parsnip, and it just gives so much flavor. But I'm really just going to get everything chopped up into a saucepan and cooking. I have peeled and chopped the bottoms and tops off the parsnip. I'm going to dice them up in a sec, and I have peeled the garlic, and we're going to just leave that whole as I said. And I'm bringing a saucepan of water up to the bubble, and it's just almost there while I've been peeling, and I'm going to chop the parsnip. It's come up to boil and I've added loads of salt. Once it's totally bubbling, we'll add in all the parsnip and garlic. Parsnip is all chopped up, it's all roughly the same size pieces. The garlic is somewhere along there too. Now I'm just going to bubble it up and cook it until it's mashable. So I've got it in the bubbling water. I'll give it a stir through. It's just too steamy to look at. I'm just going to cook it until I can mash it, and then I'll show you that. Parsnip's been bubbling for 15-20 minutes. It's lovely and soft and mashable, so it will make the mash. Okay, now for creaminess, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk. Use whatever milk you normally use, and 2 tablespoons of a lovely butter. And then just mash it until it's smooth and creamy. There you go, look at that, it's beautiful, smooth and creamy, and I'll just move it into a bowl. There you go, oh, look at that beautiful creamy mash. Oh, yep, perfect side dish. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.